ever taken a dandelion, plucked it up, and gone, I know I have. Sometimes they say if you make a wish on it, it'll come true. Did you know when you're blowing on those white fluffy things, you're actually helping to spread seeds? That's what we're going to talk about today. So yesterday, you learned a little bit about seeds and what they need to grow. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about how seeds move. There are many, many different ways that seeds start to spread. One of the ways, if you look in your book on page 52, remember that's a 5 and a 2, you're going to see some ways. So go ahead and get your book ready to follow with me. Animals help to plant seeds. Squirrels hide nuts in the ground. So what's the first animal? A squirrel. What does he have in his hand? You remember what that's called? An acorn. And an acorn grows into an oak tree. So remember in the winter time when they're hibernating and they dig, and they put all these seeds in the ground to save them for later? Do you think they remember where every single one of them is? I know I couldn't. So when they dig and they put them in the ground and they don't remember where they are, then they just helped plant that seed. And in the springtime, it'll start to grow into a big, strong oak tree. Another way seeds sometimes spread. What is this right here? That is a pretty bluebird, huh? Birds, they'll take seeds up in their beaks and they'll drop them in somewhere else. So, squirrels can help and birds can help. Liza, can you let the dog in, please? And there's other ways too. Some seeds stick onto things like a dog's coat, or maybe your socks when you're playing outside. And then the seeds get stuck up on, and you move, or the dog moves, and they fall off. My dog has fuzzy long hair, and when he plays in the yard, all kinds of things get stuck on him. He's actually helping to spread seeds. The wind helps to plant seeds. Some seeds have wings, and the wind carries them. You might have seen these. They kind of look like helicopters. When they fly to the ground, the wind will pick it up and carry them and move them to another spot. Some seeds have parachutes, and I can blow them away. What kind of plant is she blowing on right now? It's a dandelion. Do you think she's making a wish? So now that you know a little bit about seeds and how they move, just leave it, Liza. The door's locked. That's why you can't open it. Here's something you can do. We can help plant seeds, but only God can make a seed. So what you're going to do is you're going to color the picture of this girl. What is in her hand? It's a watering can. Because remember, we said that plants need dirt, they need water, and they need sunshine. So she has made rows of carrots, tomatoes, looks like pea plants, and corn. So what you're going to do is you're going to color each of the different plants, color the signs she made, and color the girl. And then it says draw in the garden things that you could use to make a salad. So you're going to draw different types of plants that you could use to make a salad. You can use these as some ideas. What do you think you could put in a salad? Would you put lettuce in a salad? That would be really tasty. Would you put maybe a tomato in a salad? I think that would be pretty good. Or maybe some spinach. Do you think you would put a big oak tree in a salad? Probably not. So you're going to pick some different types of plants, and just like she has it, you're going to label them down here on the sides and going to make a wonderful salad that you can grow. So here are some things that I can eat. If you turn the page, what is this right here? A tomato and peas. Ooh, this one's one of my favorites. What plant is this? It's corn. Do you like strawberries? I love them. Or peanuts? Even sunflower seeds. So there are all kinds of plants that you can eat, and some of them that you shouldn't. So make sure you go back and you come over here, color the picture, and draw yourself a nice field of growing salad. Have fun with it.